Several states, countries, and cities are still on lockdown due to the current health crisis. Because of this, many of us are bored out of our minds and desperately in search of something fun to do. Today, we will be showing off several cool gadgets and inventions that will kill your boredom. But before we begin, remember to hit that like button and stick around until the end, because this final product is breathtaking. Magnetic rings. Fingears is a new product that can captivate the minds of children and adults alike. These are small magnetic rings that are designed to be attached to your fingers, allowing you to fidget to your heart's content. Think of these as the new evolution of fidget spinners. These rings allow you to play games, create stunts, and challenge your friends. They are designed to be used in a wide variety of ways, allowing you to create a virtually limitless supply of games, tricks, techniques, and obstacles using nothing more than your rings. The idea behind these rings is incredibly simple. Each ring is designed with a magnetic core that is surrounded in a durable sleeve of plastic. This helps the rings to last for a very long time, yet also be stylish and fun. The magnets inside of the rings can attract or repel other things, opening the door for limitless possibilities. If the rings are all aligned correctly, you can play various games, including some versions of billiards or air hockey. The world is your oyster with Fingears, so be sure to check them out before they are gone. They will not last long. Supersuit. If you ever played laser tag while growing up, you'll likely be interested in this next product. Supersuit is an all-new gaming platform that takes both video games and laser tag to the next level. This is a wearable piece of technology that allows you to feel fully immersed in the game you are playing. The kit includes a wrist wearable and a vest. You can select a variety of games from your wrist and play by yourself or with friends. Several games are included, such as Robin Hood, Capture the Flag, or basic laser tag. If you're looking for a great way to have fun outdoors at any age, then Supersuit is the product for you. The kit even includes micro robots that can be placed anywhere and react differently depending on the game you are playing. For Capture the Flag, these bots operate as the flag. However, for laser tag, the bots can be placed and used as stealthy turrets. Aside from gaming, the system can also keep up with your fitness goals and inform you on how you can further your fitness routine to get the best possible exercise. Supersuit is fun for the whole family and truly help bring you and your loved ones closer together. Fireflies. If you know someone who is obsessed with card tricks, Fireflies could be a great investment. These LED cards were designed to help teach people card tricks in a way that is far easier than using traditional cards. These cards light up with LED lights and are designed to look incredibly interesting at night. Each set comes with a book that could teach you at least 30 new tricks that you could share with friends and teach others. Though the real goal here is to create your own tricks and show them off. Each set of Fireflies come with a dock charger so that you can quickly and easily charge your cards when you're done practicing. Each card offers a simple one-touch control to turn them on or off, making them incredibly easy to use. The cards have no other features than to simply light up, and they do it very well. They look insane in dark environments and can change the way you learn card tricks forever. If you've been looking into the world of card trickery, then Fireflies could really help you out along your journey. Be sure to check them out on the Illusionist website and give them a try for yourself. Parrot Mini Drone Jumping Sumo. The Parrot Mini Drone is a new take on the massively popular drone industry. This isn't your typical drone that you can fly. Rather, it has two wheels and can drive around and perform all sorts of incredible stunts and jumps. Speaking of jumps, the jumping capabilities of this drone are out of this world. A dedicated jumping appendage is located on the rear of the drone and can help jump several feet into the air, launching the drone onto tabletops, out of windows, over fences, and so much more. You could set up obstacle courses and have your drone maneuver through them, or just race your drone against others. A video feed can be wirelessly transmitted to your favorite smart device using the included app. This makes video recording or monitoring a breeze, and truly puts you in the cockpit of this tiny device. If you're an avid filmer, this could even be a priceless piece of recording equipment. Record shots like you never have before from a different angle. Record high-speed running sequences or follow behind a vehicle at full speed. This little robot can do nearly anything you could imagine in terms of video recording. They are currently sold out on Amazon, though we hope new stock will be available soon. Zoom shoes. If you have noticed the recent trend of hoverboards making their way onto shelves across the globe, then this product will help you feel right at home. Zoom shoes are a new type of transportation equipment that can help you get from point A to point B in a matter of seconds. They operate very similarly to hoverboards or electric scooters. Just hop on and take off. To accelerate, you push your foot forward while maintaining your balance. To reverse, just push your foot backward. To stop, stand still and keep your balance steady. If you're someone who enjoys walking to the nearest grocery store or market, these shoes could help you get there much faster and more efficiently. Your 15-minute walk could easily turn into a 2 or 3-minute walk and help alleviate the pain and hassle of carrying around your grocery bags or shopping bags. This is a revolutionary device that can change the way you travel for the better. When the batteries eventually run low, just charge each shoe with the included power adapter and you'll be back up and running in no time. Square Off Neo. This new piece of tech is absolutely remarkable. If you've ever been interested in playing a video game, yet had no one to play with, look no further. Square Off Neo is a type of board game that combines a physical board and pieces with artificial intelligence and internet connectivity. You could play against a local AI bot and improve your skills. Just set up the machine and press play, and an automated system will play against you. You can learn new skills, moves, or techniques and use them against your friends or family in the real world. The best part is that the pieces will move automatically. This intelligently designed board can move pieces without you having to touch a thing. If you would like to play with a friend who may be in another place or in another country, the board can connect to Wi-Fi and help the two of you play a physical game of chess without ever leaving the comfort of your own home. You can even use your smartphone to continue games on the go, or take a look at current game progress. This is one of the greatest all-in-one board game solutions we have ever seen, and we can't wait to see you guys try it out. Condema. Condema is a game that has been around for decades, though it is now available for purchase online. This game is very similar to paddleball, and most of us likely played paddleball at some point in our lives. This next evolution of the game combines both skill and style, and entices you to create all sorts of impressive moves while also trying your hardest to keep the ball either in motion or securely attached to the peg. There are numerous games that can be played with the Condema, though the game that most people like to play is to see how many times they can bounce the ball off either side of the shaft without missing or dropping it. You can compete with friends around the world, either trying to bounce the ball from one side to the other or try to land the ball on the peg in as few moves as possible. It's seriously a pretty difficult game, but it can provide hours of entertainment. This is one of the most classic Japanese games ever created, and it is now available to the masses.